Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how to add the essential elements in the header such as navigation menus, logo, account icon, card icon, in addition to the announcement and search bars. The theme includes the header section, which can be selected at the top of the left panel. After pressing the section, you can notice the settings provided in the extended panel on the right. Here you can mention several source selectors to add various menus to your store. Let's check how each menu is positioned in the header. Before starting the menu configurations, ensure you have created separate menus for each menu type. These configurations can be applied in your Shopify admin, content, menus. The first and second menus are related to the hamburger menu and displayed in the side menu pop-up after pressing the button in the top left corner of the header. You can decide whether to use one or both menus by linking them in the corresponding pickers. Here they are. If you check this functionality on mobile view, you'll notice that the theme provides the same design on smaller screens. Additionally, the theme includes the third menu, which will be positioned individually below all other header options as a separate menu. This is how the tiles menu with icons can be added to your store. In mobile view, the categories button will be positioned below the header due to limited space. The menu items will be displayed in the slide out pop-up after pressing the describe button. Each menu can be used separately by adding or removing it based on your store design. Remove the unnecessary menu by simply pressing the remove menu button in the source selector. The edit button can help navigate to the corresponding page in your admin in case you need to apply any changes to the menu. Once you set up menus, you can proceed with other settings, which cover the logo configurations for both desktop and mobile. The logo can be positioned on a store using an image or your SVG code. To apply a logo image, simply select a picture from the library or upload it from your device. Ensure that the default logo SVG code has been previously removed, as the image logo can be used with this setting. The same configurations can be applied individually for mobile. This provides you with the flexibility to display different logos on devices of diverse sizes. If you want to show the sticky logo when scrolling up to the top of a page, you can operate one of the provided options in the drop-down below. Using the menu's font weight, change the top menu items to normal or bold. The hamburger menu items will be underlined when hovering over after activating the next option. The next title of the group settings predetermines that they are related to the tiles menu only. These settings will be applied to the desktop. On the provided scale, decide the number of tiles in a row. If you use a device with a small screen size, check the settings in preview or full screen mode. The size of icons can also be regulated on the scale as desired. The sub-menu arrow option adds an arrow to the top menu item, which includes nested menu items. Next, add an underline effect to menu items of all levels when hovering over the item. Moreover, this section includes the country selector, language selector, and social media icons. They will be located in the slide out pop-up of the hamburger menu. Please note that the country and language selectors require additional setup in your admin to appear on the storefront. To display a language selector, go to your Shopify admin, install the Shopify Translate and Adapt app, and then set the list of languages. Additionally, the hamburger menu provides for displaying social media icons. First, add the list of social media links under Social Media section in Theme Settings. Then activate the option in the Header section. Besides the provided options, the header section can be customized with additional blocks such as the announcement bar and search. To add a block, hover over a space on the header section and click the Add Block button. Then you can select a block. The search bar or announcement bar can be set at the top center in this empty area. By adding both features, the search bar will be removed to the right as shown on the screen. The next two options provided in the header are the account and cart icons. Specifically, the account icon can be placed in the header after applying configurations in the Shopify admin settings, customer accounts. The cart icon can be enabled in Theme Settings Cart. Here you can find the cart type drop-down with several options to choose from. Use the first Hide Catalog Mode option to deactivate the header button. The remaining three options determine the cart's behavior. In the same global section above, the cart icon can be replaced by another one. Here you can find two additional options for use. Consider that the icon will be modified in the header and the Add to Cart button. We're complete now with the header settings. Thanks for joining us and good luck with the stock configurations.